BJP MP Medha Kulkarni has justified this purification ritual. Purifier BJP MP who cited Waqf threat to the fort. Medha Kulkarni has said, and I quote, "If someone says that we should come to a place again and again and start using it and later declare it as Waqf by user, then we will take action on such things. Hence, if they came there and offered namaz, which is an ASI monument, then it is objectionable for us. Hence, we gathered there." Listen in.
देशद्रोही ताकत है, उनके प्रति सक्रिय रहना चाहिए, ये हमें हमारे धर्म ने सिखाया है। लेकिन अगर कोई ये कहे कि हम बार बार एक जगह आके उस जगह का इस्तेमाल करने लगे और बाद में वक्फ बाय यूज़र डिक्लेयर करने लगे, तो ऐसे चीज़ों पर हमारी हरकत तो रहेगी। इसलिए वहाँ आकर अगर उन्होंने नमाज अदा किया है जो ASI मॉन्यूमेंट है, तो ये हमारे लिए बिल्कुल आपत्तिजनक है। तो इसलिए हम वहाँ इकट्ठा हुए और हिंदवी स्वराज्य के सरसंस्थापक छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जी की शिव वंदना करके हमने वहाँ शुद्धिकरण किया।
Cutting across to my colleague Dipesh Tripathi, who's joining us on the broadcast. And Dipesh, what has happened is extremely unfortunate, and fact is that if either religion is insulted, it is condemnable. The other part, of course, being that there need to be strong boundaries such that such sort of clashes do not occur in the first place. Do give us details of what is happening as far as this particular incident is concerned.
Suresh, right now the law and order situation is not there in Pune, and Pune police is keeping a close eye on law and order situation. We spoke to the police officials and they said that no offence has been registered because no law has been broken by any of the concerned persons. But definitely the Maharashtra politics is going on a very high stake regarding this issue. Both within the government, NCP parties are taking the stand very much different from the BJP MP, BJP Rajya Sabha MP. Medha Kulkarni clearly opposed this issue of reading namaz in the Shaniwar Wada premises, and she also tweeted the video, after which NCP defended and also attacked simultaneously on Medha Kulkarni, saying that she is trying to manipulate the religious issues in Pune, which is not required, and also the law and order situation will hamper because of such issues. On the other hand, whether it is Abu Azmi or whether it is Waris Pathan from MIM, they are also trying to take a dig on a BJP by stating that BJP is trying to escalate this issue, and this is not this is not a big issue, but they are trying to create an issue, and they are trying to hurt religious sentiment. But we have to see that how BJP first try to settle with the NCP, which are their allies in the Maharashtra government, and we have to see that how this matter goes in the near future as well, Suresh.
Oh yes, absolutely, Dipesh, and completely agree with you, because even if one wants to express any sort of opposition, that can be done via taking the legal route instead of taking the matter in their own hands. But the BJP MP who continues to defend this act, let's listen into what she said.
देशद्रोही ताकत है, उनके प्रति सक्रिय रहना चाहिए, ये हमें हमारे धर्म ने सिखाया है। लेकिन अगर कोई ये कहे कि हम बार बार एक जगह आके उस जगह का इस्तेमाल करने लगे और बाद में वक्फ बाय यूज़र डिक्लेयर करने लगे, तो ऐसे चीज़ों पर हमारी हरकत तो रहेगी। इसलिए वहाँ आकर अगर उन्होंने नमाज अदा किया है जो ASI मॉन्यूमेंट है, तो ये हमारे लिए बिल्कुल आपत्तिजनक है। तो इसलिए हम वहाँ इकट्ठा हुए और हिंदवी स्वराज्य के सरसंस्थापक छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जी की शिव वंदना करके हमने वहाँ शुद्धिकरण किया।